Determination is the force that transforms dreams into reality. These quotes inspire resilience, focus, and the courage to keep going, no matter the obstacles. 1. Determination turns setbacks into stepping stones. 2. When the road gets tough, determination is your compass to success. 3. Success isn't for the lucky, it's for the determined. 4. Every small step taken with determination leads to big achievements. 5. Determination is the bridge between goals and achievements. 6. The fire of determination burns brighter than the fear of failure. 7. Determined hearts don't wait for opportunities, they create them. 8. It's not about how fast you go, it's about how determined you are to keep moving. 9. Determination transforms I can't into I will. 10. With determination, even the impossible becomes possible.